Hi guys, my name is Kunal, and in the previous lecture we learned about the chart of accounts, assigning chart of accounts to the company code, and we defined various group for our GL accounts. So in the today's lecture we're gonna learn about the retained earnings, why we define retained earning into the SAP system, and how we're gonna post it into the SAP system. So firstly, what do you mean by the retained earnings? So there are three main accounts to know the financial position of a company, that is the trading account, P&L account, and the balance sheet. In trading account we record all the direct expenses and the direct income. However, in P&L account we record all the indirect expenses and the indirect income, and the balance sheet it ultimately shows the position of the company. So after the calculation of all the direct expenses and direct income, we come into the gross profit or the gross loss, which ultimately get transferred into the P&L, from where we get net profit or the net loss, which ultimately get transferred into the liability side of the balance sheet. So yes, now let's move into the practical part, how to define retained earning into the SAP system. So first I have to log in into my SAP account. Okay, so yes, after coming here we have to go through the part that is SPRO, then SAP reference image, then financial accounting new, then general ledger accounting new, then master data, then GL accounts, then preparations, and then defined retained earnings account. So here he is asking the chart of account. So we have allotted LFL as our chart of accounts code. So yes, so before this we have to open the new sessions. Let's have a look upon the chart of accounts which we have created, because from there only we will get the number range what we have to assign to the retained earnings. So the T code for the chart of account is OBD4. Guys, please make use of the T code, because in future T code is going to help you and not this part. Okay, so we're going to go with the positions LFL, and here it is, that is fixed assets, current assets, share capital, liability, expenses, income. So as net profit and net loss get transferred into liabilities, so we have to take a number from the number range what we have provided to the liability, that is 6 lakhs to 6,99,999. So we're going to take the number range as 6 lakh for the retained earnings. Coming into the previous page, so for P&L statement we're going to assign any name, for example X, and here we have to define the number range what we have to allot. So I am allotting 6 lakhs. Okay, and then I will save it. So here there is an error showing it, that is accounts 6 lakh not created in chart of accounts LFL. This is because we haven't created a GL account of a retained earnings, but however it's gonna take it into effect, because let's click on this. So let's create a request, that is Lots Finance Limited. So see, it has been saved. So what do you mean by this? देखिए हमको एरर आ रहा था, ये एरर इसके लिए आ रहा था बिकॉज हमने अभी तक GL जो कि लाइबिलिटी साइड के अंदर अपन जो GL बनाने वाला है उसमें हम लोग ने रिटेन अर्निंग्स अब तक बनाई नहीं है. हम जब वो बना देंगे कमिंग लेक्चर्स में, तो ये जो एरर आई है अपने आप सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगा. तो आपको एक चीज़ याद रखनी है, जो आपने अकाउंट नंबर यहाँ पर अलॉट किया है जो कि है 6 लाख, यही 6 लाख आपको लाइबिलिटी के ग्रुप के अंदर रिटेन अर्निंग्स को असाइन करनी होगी, बिकॉज अगर आप वहाँ पर 6 लाख असाइन नहीं करोगे तो ये एरर बता देगा. सो ये चीज़ ध्यान में रखनी है, और मैं यहाँ पर सेव कर देता हूँ. अब हम जाएंगे टी कोड के थ्रू यहाँ पर पोजीशन में. सो रिटेन अर्निंग का टी कोड है OB53, LFL का कोड पहले से डला हुआ है और ये देखिए रिटर्न अर्निंग डिफाइन हो चुके हैं। अब ये हमने डिफाइन किया है, जब P&L अकाउंट के सारे डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस कैलकुलेट होके नेट प्रॉफिट एंड नेट लॉस आएगा, वो लायबिलिटी के साइड में ये अपने आप ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा P&L से। सो इसलिए हमने रिटर्न अर्निंग को डिफाइन किया है सेपरेटली इनटू द SAP सिस्टम। सो गाइज आज के लेक्चर के लिए इतना ही। अगर आपको कंटेंट अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक and subscribe to my channel, and in the coming lectures we gonna create GL accounts जो कि थोड़ा बहुत लेंदी होगा, so no problem, हम easily उसको भी पार कर लेंगे। So thank you, have a nice day, bye bye।